All right, so I got her painted up in the Splash Paints Candy Apple Red, and I think I might have used a little bit too much. Actually, I used the whole bottle, so but anyway, it looks pretty good. So, and then I got it cleared, sanded out and polished back up again, get that nice shine. So now what I need to do is mask it off so that I can paint the roof in an aluminum color and then get the chrome trim all installed, and then we'll be ready to put this thing together. So I'm going to mask this off in preparation for painting the roof. All right, and then since I did get a little bit of clear, or I did clear the car, I want to give the paint a little bit more of something to bite onto. So I'm just gonna scuff up this 2K clear with a 1000 grit sanding sponge. All right, now I'm just gonna go spray some Alclad aluminum on that and see how that turns out. Well, not quite sure what happened there, but that is a problem. I'll have to see how I'm going to fix that. I don't know if I can. All right, well, we'll have to figure something out on that. But the rest of it looks good. All right, so based on my scientific analysis, here's what I think happened. If I peel any of this stuff off, there is silver backing on the back of the candy coat. So what I think happened was, so after my primer, I sprayed it silver to go underneath the candy, and I use this Tamiya chrome silver, which as you can see is pretty metallic. It's got a really heavy flake in it, and I think I might have put this on too thick, so the candy just basically adhered to one of the top layers of the heavy flake, so the flake basically just came apart. So I think that's what happened, but regardless, that is not tolerable. That is not going to work. So this will be the third time this car is going in the alcohol bath, and we will start over painting this body once again. All right, got this thing painted up for the fourth time, and the clear coat on it, it's looking pretty good. So now we're ready to do the chrome trim in bare metal foil, and then we're going to start putting this thing together. So bare metal foil. All right, I think that's going to do it for this build. Man, these old kits are rough, but finally got it together, finally got it painted. Only took me a few times, 4 actually, but that candy paint turned out pretty good. So yeah, I'm glad it's done. All right, I'm gonna get her cleaned up and ready for the glamour shots, and that'll do it for this build. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next one.